Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here. Okay, a comparison review of the Magic 3 smartwatch, and we have the upgraded version of the Magic 3. Okay, the next version, the Magic 4 smartwatch. And as you can see here, that's a very different design. For the Magic 3, we have the rectangular smartwatch, and for the Magic 4, we have the circular design. Okay, so very different approach, still the same smartwatch, the same brand, and with, of course, some new features, and it has its own pros and cons for each wearable. Okay, so let's check on the design here. The same color here, black, with the Magic 3 much thicker in the body design, while the Magic 4 do have a slim body here. Okay, the same strap here. Okay, you can still remove the strap because it supports interchangeable strap here with its quick release pin feature. Okay, we have the sensor here. Okay, I guess this one, I don't know if this is for the, I think, body temperature, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so there's a physical button here. For the Magic 4, we have back and power. For the Magic 3, we also have the back and power button, okay, but in a single button only. Okay, for the UI, the Magic 3 is using the bubble type menu, while for the Magic 4, we have a circular rotating menu. Okay, so they have almost the same features here. Okay, with the blood oxygen, heart rate. Okay, you also have blood pressure here. We also have a blood pressure for the Magic 3. Okay, but I think we do have a body temperature, I'm not sure. Okay, so we also have watch faces and sports function. Okay, so they almost have the same features here. Okay, what I like about the Magic 4 is that the rotating menu here. Okay, very easy compared to this one for the Magic 3. Anyway, but if you want a rectangular smartwatch, go for the Magic 3 smartwatch. Okay, but if you love a circular design menu or circular design body, go for the Magic 4. Okay, they are both beautiful, okay, easy to use, and premium looking wearable from Kospet. Okay, so let's go for the sports function. How many sports function do we have with the Magic 3? Okay, so let's focus on the Magic 3 here. So we have, okay, how many sports? So let's start. So okay, we have the walking, 1, running, cycling, okay, badminton, basketball, football, swimming, hiking, tennis, football, golf, baseball, elliptical machine, training, rowing, trail run, skiing, bowling, dumbbell, and sit-up. So how many do we have? Okay, I forgot to count. Again, let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 sports mode here on the Magic 3 smartwatch. For the Magic 4, okay, we have, where's the sports function? Is this a sports function? Okay, exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so there's more sports included in the Magic 4, but I like the UI of the Magic 3. I like the presentation here, okay, compared to the Magic 4. Okay, for the heart rate, let's see, we have the heart rate here. Okay, let's check for the heart rate also here. Do we have the same animation? Okay, different approach in the UI here. Okay, I think the Magic 3 do have a much better UI. I think I like the animation here, as you can see. Okay, 82 BPM. Okay, so the Magic 4 provide a much faster result here. Okay, for the Magic 3 it takes time. Okay, I think I really have to put my wrist on to have a result. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to the main menu here and check for other functions. Okay, still it is using the Daffit Support App. Step counter or automatic activity tracking here. Okay, we also do have it here. So it track the steps. Okay, with graphs here on the bottom part. Okay, so similar UI here for the Magic 3 and the Magic 4. Okay, so this is almost the same. Okay, in functionalities. With the Magic 4, I think it is much faster in processing the data compared to the Magic 3 smartwatch. Okay, but in some aspects, the Magic 3 do have a much better UI, especially in the sports function. Okay, so the same results here. Okay, and as you can see, the brightness here and the screen is much darker in the Magic 4. This is your Magic 4 compared to the Magic 3. Okay, the color is more pronounced or much sharper with the Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, what else? Okay, that's it. So here you can read the data here with the Magic 4, okay, or Magic 3. Okay, you can see the incoming calls, okay, notifications, or read the messages. Okay, so we have a breathing guide here. Okay, so we also have a breathing guide. Go back, let's check. Okay, so start. Okay, so almost the same. Okay, just a different animation. Okay, so that's it for the review of features and the design, okay, of the Magic 3 and Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, we did not dwell more on the specifications here. Okay, as these two smartwatch do really have a very different design. So it's a rectangular smartwatch and this one is a circular smartwatch. Okay, so we don't need to compare, okay, the overall specifications of this wearable. Okay, so we have here the watch faces. The Magic 4 smartwatch do have a much more Okay, we do have a much comprehensive watch faces. Okay, but you can download additional watch faces in the support app. Okay, so Magic 3 and Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, both from Kospet, both do have a premium look. Okay, if you want to see more details on the Magic 3 smartwatch, check our previous video. If you want to see the details on the Magic 4 as well as the installation of the support app, okay, both do have a DAFIT support app. Okay, it is using the DAFIT support app. You can check on our previous video. Okay, for the Magic 3 and the Magic 4 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Goodbye.